Hi everyone. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on showing you the features of our stats dashboard. So from the home page of Amboss.Space, I'll navigate over to stats. And what comes up is the all-time metrics showing the capacity growth of the Lightning Network. And we can actually see Amboss pop up right here when we began taking snapshots of the Lightning Network. And you'll be able to see its growth, and you can also see the other sources, including Bitcoin visuals. I think they've had some issues, and then some mempool data, which was back populated from Christian Decker's early gossip of the Lightning Network. Now, I also want to show you something that may be underutilized on these node metrics. We can take a look at the incoming fee rate. Really, this is where we're going to find out the value of inbound liquidity. So right here, I can paste a public key. And to do that quickly from the same screen, I could go over to my favorites, copy the pub key from loop, and paste it right here into the node metrics. Okay, now for incoming fee rate, I'm not so much interested in the count of it. I really want to know the weighted corrected average. So that's going to be weighted by capacity, and it's also corrected, which means we've removed some of the outliers. Those are data points that are 3 standard deviations away from the average. So those are going to be the crazy high fee rates that we want to filter out here. Instead of the relative view, I prefer to look at the absolute. And we can see it's been relatively consistent over time, over the last 7 days. But I'll go ahead and increase that to 3 months. And we can see how the fee market has shifted quite a bit. It had a pretty crazy period back in December. Now, this is nice, but I think this is more useful when we're comparing it to something else. So I can go ahead and add another node onto here. I'll add Bitfinex, LND 0, and go ahead and paste that in. And I'll add it to the display. And now we're able to see the inbound fee rate of Bitfinex. So these are all the peers that Bitfinex has and the fee rates that they charge on average. So around 600 ppm. And Loop at the same time is around 1700 ppm. So essentially what this means is this is showing the arbitrage that is native to the Lightning Network. What you can do is deposit Lightning to Bitfinex. And on average, the fee that you're expecting to pay is around 600 ppm. And then once you've deposited via Lightning, you can withdraw on-chain. And when you withdraw on-chain, that means you're going to keep that inbound liquidity that you earned from depositing to Bitfinex. And then next, with that withdrawn on-chain Bitcoin, you can open a new channel to Loop and basically charge double for that same liquidity. Now, you'll be earning fees as payments start routing to Loop. And so that's going to eat up that inbound liquidity that you generated by depositing to Bitfinex. So basically deposit at the 600 ppm and then route transactions to Loop at 1700 ppm. And so you'll want to be thoughtful about how to size your position. How much can you deposit to Bitfinex? And then you're going to want to make one large withdrawal because there is a flat fee for withdrawing from Bitfinex, and then opening a new channel to Loop. So this is kind of the basics of arbitrage native to Lightning, and I thought I'd show you all how to go about this. Thanks so much. Be sure to follow Amboss Tech on Twitter, and like this video, share it around. Hope this is helpful. See you.